Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to sign in TD online bank account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar that you can see at top. Type in td.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of TD Bank. So basically you'll be able to access the TD Bank of Canada or US. In order to select it, simply click on the country that is selected right now. You'll be able to find the option for Canada, US. Click on the location of your choice. Here I'm just going to click on the option US. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure personal option is selected. Now in this interface you'll be able to find the section for online banking. You'll be able to find two options: login, sign up. If you do not have the account yet, you can click on the option sign up and sign up for your account. If you already have your account and if you want to log into your account, click on the option login that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official sign in interface. From here you'll be able to sign in to your account. All you need to do is enter your username and password. So first of all, click on the field of username and enter your username over here. If you have forgotten your username, you can click on the option forget username and you'll be able to reset it. Now what you have to do is enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the option forget password and you'll be able to recover it. After you enter the credentials, click on the option login and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you sign in TD online bank account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.